Okay.
Skittles. Okay. You're here representing NAACP, and you are the president. Tell everyone your name.
George Holland.
Okay, George, and we're standing here with our hoods on and Skittles in our hand. Tell us why we're here today.
We're here because we felt it was necessary to let the family of Trayvon Martin know that what happened to him is a tragedy for all of us. Because it happened to any young man, African-American young man in particular, based on the style of his dress and the neighborhoods that he may frequent, because there are people out there that think really innocent. And we need to let them know that, no, we want the benefits of living in America like everyone else. We don't present a danger to anyone. The danger is probably in your mind most of the time. Every young man who has a hoodie, every young man looks suspicious because he's black, doesn't mean that he's done something wrong.
Right.
It's in your mind that he's suspicious, not in ours.
Okay. Well, I commend you again for being out here today. I was talking to Chris over here, who's part of your NAACP, and you guys keep up the good work. We're here for support. That's why we're here today. And good luck today. Thank you.